Hello viewers, welcome to yet another episode of AAA Profit Analytics Stock Market View. Today we will cover the week starting from 25th April to 29th April, and on 28th April we have April month's futures expiry day, and with you is Sajesh Krishnan, CEO of AAA Profit Analytics. Let's move straight away to Nifty's overview. Nifty made a weekly high of 17,414 and weekly low of 16,824, and last week's trading range was of 590 points, and Nifty closed at 17,171 with 304 points loss. Let's move on to Nifty's sectoral indices. Auto index gained 3.08% and IT index went down 5.61%, and all other indices also closed in red. Although the market is volatile, there are certain stocks which rallied in the month of April, and let's identify the stock that performed quite well. The stocks are MRPL went up 67%, Sri Renuka went up 64%, Adani Green Energy went up 52%, Gujarat Ambuja Exports went up 47%, Wellspun went up 42%, Bharat Dynamics went up 39%, Adani Total Gas went up 33%, Borasir Renewables went up 32%, Varroc Engineering went up 32%, Masogon Dock went up 31%, Rashtriya Chemicals went up 30%, Gujarat Alkalis and Chemicals went up 30%, NLC India went up 29%, IFL Finance went up 29%, Railtel Corporation went up 29%, Poonawalla Fincorp went up 28%, NHPC went up 27%, Adani Enterprise went up 24%, Network 18 Media went up 24%, and Ambuja Cements went up 24%. We discussed about Adani Wilmar in the previous videos, and this stock continued the upward journey in the last week also. Actually, the stock listed below the IPO price on 28th February, and on the day of listing, the stock made a low of 227, and the stock after hitting a high of 419 in the next week, went through a consolidation phase and then continued the rally, and last week the stock closed at 728. Actually, the stock has moved up more than 200% from the initial IPO price. Adani Power, another group from Adani Group, also continued the rally even in the last week. The stock actually we initially recommended at 55 level, went up to 150 level and then consolidated in between 100 and 120 level, 120 range. And after breaking out of this 120 range, the stock continued the upward rally, and last week the stock hit a high of 259, and I am expecting the stock to continue the uptrend up to 306, which is the monthly resistance 3. At this point of time, I want to share my thumb rule for youngsters in spending what you have earned. And it's like that: you save 30% of your income to build your initial capital and then spend the rest. In this regard, one must look at the quote of Warren Buffett. He says, don't save what is left after spending, rather spend what is left after saving. I want to share an experience with my nephew who started investing at the age of 28. He bought 200 Borosil renewables when we gave that recommendation of Diamond Peak 5A, and he is holding these stocks and he is having profit of 89,000 in the Borosil renewables. He sent me a thanks message last week. I felt so happy because he has learned to be patient at this younger age, which is very important. He learned to hold the stock patiently even after he got 100% profit at this age. Normally youngsters try intraday trading and lose 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs quite often. If they realize investing is right at this age and save this 10 lakhs and invest properly, this amount may be 4 crores or 5 crores at the age of 50. We recommended our Diamond Peak 5A in Borosil Renewables on July 21st at 325 level. You are watching now the chart of Borosil Renewables. The stock went up to 740 level and went through a consolidation phase, and last week the stock again came back to 770 level, and many of our clients got more than 100% profit in Borosil Renewables, and we got a lot of very good feedbacks from our clients. You are watching now the report which we sent to our clients when we released our recommendation for Borosil Renewables for entering at 325 level for a first target of 650 and second target of 975. This stock depicts AAA Profit Analytics, infinite profit, which I discussed in one of my previous videos. The concept goes like you book part profit and make the rest investment cost free and then hold rest for long time. This is our infinite profit theme. I want to share the feedback of a client who invested in Borosil Renewables, which will clearly explain the concept of infinite profit. He invested in 2000 shares at 313 level and he sold 1000 shares at first target 650 and he is holding the balance stocks. Let's have a look at the case study of this client's example. He bought 2000 stocks at 313 and his investment was 6,26,000 and he booked part profit when the stock reached 650, that is sold 1000 shares and he realized 6,50,000. So he got back his investment and he is holding on the balance 1000 stocks with cost of the stock investment as 0. At Friday's closing price at 782, his cost of the existing 1000 shares in his hand is 7,82,000, which is representing 100% profit. Another client, an engineer who started his investment in stock market in just 1 year back, he bought 2,303 stocks of Borosil Renewables at 316.39. He invested actually 7.28 lakhs and booked full profit at 650 level and realized 14.44 lakhs. He got almost 7 lakhs profit in Diamond Pick 5A. He invested the entire 14 lakhs in the next Diamond Pick recommendation and he is so confident in the quality of the stocks we recommend in Diamond Picks. After a gap of 3 months, we launched our latest Diamond Pick 10 last week. We had a hectic schedule last week as the market is so volatile. We had to be very careful in selecting our Diamond Picks. So we released our Diamond Pick 10 on Friday and most of our clients have invested in Diamond Pick 10 on Friday. Moving on to the performance of our triple swing delivery recommendations, we entered in the Minda crop as our Diwali pick on 29th October at 155 level. The stock reached our second target of 260 last week and we booked more than 67% profit in Minda Corp. Another stock which was recommended as our triple swing delivery recommendation, APL Apollo. Actually, we recommended a stock at 1015 on 20th December. The stock went through a correction phase and we made a second entry in the stock at 876 level. After a consolidation phase, the stock moved up and came up to 1100 level last week and our average cost for the stock is 968 level now and we will book profit in APL Apollo at 1170, which is our first target. Let's have a look at 4 institutions data. 4 institutions sold for 18,443.8 crores last week, while domestic institutions bought for 14,394.4 crores last week in cash provisional data. Now we shall have a quick analysis of Nifty. You are watching now Nifty's last week's trading pattern. On 13th April, Nifty closed at 17,475. On 18th April, Nifty went down 302 points and 19th April, Nifty again went down 215 points. And 20th April, Nifty went up 177 points and 21st April, Nifty went up 256 points. And on 22nd April, Nifty again went down 220 points and Nifty closed with a loss of 304 points last week. You're watching now Nifty's monthly chart. Nifty is trading with a loss of 292 points in the month of April and in the year of 2022, Nifty is trading with 182 points loss. You're watching now Nifty's weekly chart with the major DMAs and Nifty's 200 DMAs at 17,193, 100 DMAs at 17,285, 20 DMAs at 17,465 and 50 DMAs at 17,129. You're watching now Nifty's daily chart with the major support resistance levels. In case Nifty continue to trade above 17,137, the resistance levels will be at 17,449, 17,727, 18,125 and 18,787. In case Nifty correct below 17,137, supports will be at 16,898, 16,547, 16,237 and 15,513. When we fix a Nifty's weekly range for the next week, upper range will be at 17,727 and lower range will be at 16,047 with a 17,137 as pivot point. Let's move on to the strategies for the next week. First of all, let's see the major companies that declare Q4 results next week. These are Bajaj Finance, HDFC Life, KPIT Technologies, Bajaj Auto, KPR Mill, Axis Bank, Huhtamaki, SBI Life and Wipro are the major companies declaring Q4 results next week. Now it's time to declare the limelight of this video, our stock of the week, and this recommendation is C-end. Buy C-end below 917 for a target of 1000 is our stock of the week recommendation. Our last week's AAA technical pick was Jindal Wealth for buying 300 at 331 level for a target of 360, and the stock rallied and achieved the target of 360 on the Monday itself. Our AAA technical pick for this week is Genus Power Infra. We are recommending for buying Genus Power below 101 for a target of 115. Finally, moving on to the stocks with technical breakout. The stocks are Chennai Petro, San Energy, CRM Silk, Deepak Fert and Pune Vela Fincorp. All the stocks may be considered for investment for a target of 5% from Friday's closing price. All the stocks we discussed in this video are for investment. Thank you.